Welcome back everyone. Before starting the new topic, first we will start a quick revision of chapter integer. So few points are there and first point is integer is a set of collection. Integer is a collection of numbers containing whole numbers and their negative. Meaning example whole numbers and their negative. So these are whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are whole number and negative of these numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So they all are integers. And remember one thing, -4 and 3, which one is greater? This one, because this is a positive number. So remember one thing, positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. Now second point, when two integers of same sign, having same sign means both are negative or both are positive, are multiplied, the product will have positive sign. Means when we multiply -4 by -2, then simple multiplication 4 2s are 8 and minus plus, because they are having same sign and product will have positive sign. So this is positive. Third point, when two integers of different sign, means first one is positive, second another negative, are multiplied, then the product will have negative sign. So if we multiply -3 by 4, then 3 4s are 12, because different sign, so negative sign is here. 5 multiply 2, 5 2s are 10 and different sign, this is positive, this is negative, so minus sign is there. Okay. Fourth one, division by 0 is not defined. Means when we divide any integer, any number by 0, then answer is not defined. Okay. Example, -4 is divided by 0, then answer is not defined. But one more thing, if 0 is divided by any integer, okay, if 0 is divided by any integer, then answer always 0. Next, fifth point, multiplication of integers is commutative as well as associative. Example, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. So here 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6, both are equal. So this is commutative property and it is followed, then yes. Now another, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 4. Now we will take this group. 2 multiplied 3 4s are 12 and 2 multiplied 3 2 3s are 6 multiplied 4. So this is a form of associative property of multiplication. Now you can check 2 12s are 24 and 6 4s are 24. Both are equal. That's why associative property is followed in the case of multiplication. Okay. 6. In the case of division, division of integer is neither commutative nor associative. Means both property are not followed in the case of division. Example, if we divide 4 by 2, then they are not equal to 2 divided by 4. You can check, if we divide 4 by 2, then answer 2, quotient 2, and 2 divided by 4 means 2 divided by 4, 2 1 are 2, 2s are 4, 1 upon 2. Both are different. So we can say division of integer neither commutative nor associative. Seventh one, distributive property of multiplication. What is distributive property of multiplication? Distributive means distribution of integer, like this. This is the concept, A multiply B plus C. Then first we distribute this A to B, like this, A multiply B. Then if positive sign is here, then positive. If negative, then negative. Now A should multiply by C. Okay. This is the example, 2 bracket 3 minus 4. And one more thing, if no sign is here before bracket, then multiplication will be there. So 2 multiply 3, then 2 multiply 4. So 2 3s are 6 minus 2 4s are 8. Now check, this is positive number because no sign is here, and this is negative because 2 4s are 8 and negative sign is this. Now plus minus minus. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we will check which sign is greater. This is positive 6. This is minus 8. So which sign is greater? This negative. That's why minus 2. Now 8th one. If any integer, x is any integer, if any integer is multiplied by 0, then answer always 0. Example, minus 12 multiplied by 0, then answer 0. Now, if any integer is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any integer, then answer remains same. Like this, minus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 3, then answer minus 3, because 3 1 ja 3 and 1 3 are also 3 negative. Next, if any integer is divided by its additive inverse, means this is x, this is any number, is divided by the same negative whole number. Like this, 4 is divided by minus 4, then answer minus 1, because 4 divided by minus 4, 4 1 ja 4 and negative sign. Okay. And if any number, any integer is divided by minus 1, then answer always minus the integer, minus of integer. Like this, 4 divided by minus 1, then answer is minus 4. You can check like this, 4 divided by minus 1, then 4, and negative sign will be in numerator, and if 1 is in denominator, then we can write like this, 4. Now 10th one, remember 0 is neither positive nor negative, 0 is neutral. 11th one, 0 is the additive identity for the collection of numbers, means when we add 0 to any number, answer remains same. Like this, 4 plus 0 equal to 4 or 0 plus 4 equal to 4.